Hey there! Looking to access Canva Pro without breaking the bank? In this video, I'll show you 4 legit ways to get Canva Pro for free. Canva is a powerful design tool that offers a wide range of features to help users professional-looking graphics. While the premium of Canva comes with a price tag, there are several ways to access Canva Pro for free. We will explore some of methods you can use to get Canva Pro at no cost. One of the easiest ways to access Canva Pro for free is by taking advantage of the platform's free trial period. Canva offers a 30-day free trial for Pro version, allowing users to explore all the features and tools that come with the premium subscription. During this trial period, you will have full access to Canva Pro, giving you the opportunity to create high-quality designs without any restrictions. Another way to get Canva Pro for free is by joining Canva's education program. This program is designed for students and teachers, providing them with free access to Canva Pro. To qualify for this program, you will need to submit proof of your student or teacher status, such as a school-issued email address or ID. Once approved, you will be able to enjoy all the benefits of Canva Pro at no cost. Canva offers a referral program that allows users to earn credits towards Canva Pro by referring friends and colleagues to the platform. When someone signs up for Canva using your unique referral link and upgrades to Canva Pro, you will receive credits that can be used to access the premium features for free. By leveraging this referral program, you can unlock Canva Pro without having to pay for a subscription. If you work for a non-profit organization, you may be eligible for Canva's non-profit program, which provides free access to Canva Pro for qualifying non-profits. To apply for this program, you will need to submit proof of your non-profit status, such as a tax-exempt certificate or registration documents. Once approved, you will be able to use Canva Pro to create impactful designs for your organization without incurring any costs. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you unlock Canva Pro for free and take your designs to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Also, if you know someone who could benefit from this, share the video with them. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you found other ways to get Canva Pro for free. I'd love to hear from you.